If your SAC results aren't great, it does not mean a 40+ study score is gone. Every single year, students with average, and even poor, SAC results still score above 40 in VCE Maths. And they don't do it by working harder. They do it by understanding how the system actually works. Here's the first thing most students misunderstand. Your SAC scores are not used directly. VCEA moderates them using your cohort's exam performance. That means, weak SACs in a strong cohort can scale up. Strong SACs in a weak cohort can scale down. The exam is the anchor. So if you're thinking, my SACs ruin my chances, that's not how moderation works at all. For mathematical methods, the exams make up 60% of your study score. Exam 1 is 22.5%. Exam 2 is 37.5%. Together, that's more than everything else combined. So even with average SACs, a very strong exam performance can still push you into the 40+ range. This is why the exam, not your SAC average, decides rankings. Let's make this concrete. Imagine a student with a raw SAC average of 65%. After moderation, that becomes around 70%. Exam 1 score, 90%. Exam 2 score, 85%. When you weight that, SACs contribute about 28 marks. Exam 1 contributes about 20. Exam 2 contributes about 32. That's a total weighted score around 80+. Historically, that profile is absolutely consistent with a study score above 40. This isn't theory, this happens every year. Here's the mistake that holds most students back. They think they need to be good at everything. That's not how the exam works. Examiners' reports are clear. Most marks are lost to repeatable traps, not hard maths. Things like using the turning point when it's outside the domain, accepting invalid log solutions, using the wrong conditional probability denominator, using calculus when the trapezium rule was required. Avoiding these alone can gain 10 to 15 extra exam marks. That's the difference between the low 30s and the 40+ range. High study scores don't come from doing more maths. They come from doing the right maths reliably. That means, mastering high-frequency exam topics, eliminating common exam traps, writing clear final statements, practicing exam-style decision-making, not just procedures. Strong exams beat strong SACs, every single year. Bad SACs don't cap your study score. Weak exam technique does. If you focus now on exam structure, traps, and decision-making, a 40+ is still absolutely on the table. Subscribe if you want examiner-backed strategies that help you gain marks fast, not just harder questions.